Red light moments. Alam natin lahat, we hate red lights. Nagmamadali ka na, then, boom! Stop. Minutes wasted. Pero isipin mo, that stoplight isn't your enemy. It's your protection. Kung wala yan, chaos. Aksidente. Ganon din sa life. Minsan si God naglalagay ng red light sa harap mo. Isang opportunity na gusto mo, pero di mo nakuha. Isang plano na na-delay. Isang door na nagsara. You feel stuck. Pero baka yung red light na, yun ang nagliligtas sa'yo from a bigger crash ahead. Kaya imbis na mainis sa stop, gamitin mo. Huminga, mag-reflect, mag-reset. Kasi stop doesn't mean stuck, it means safe. At pag naging green na ulit, ready ka to move forward stronger and wiser. Traffic Real Talk. Red light moments are not wasted. They're God's timing at work.